All right, so I got my electric thing. This is a little plug thing. Make sure you don't unplug it before unplug it before you take it out of the water. That's boiling just about. This is my pint. They're both in pint steel cups. They're pretty light, right? I'm using 25 grams. This is ground as regular drip coffee, maybe a little coarser. This is cupping style. Cupping style. We're gonna get here to that in just a moment. Cupping style. So we got like 25.5 grams. That seems about right. This is boiling water, which is sweet. We're gonna unplug this bad boy here. Try not to burn ourselves. And set this over on this plate. I'm sure you can put it somewhere else that's more interesting. We got our boiling water. So we're doing this cup and style, right? So all we do, we're gonna do this, boom, just to show you I've actually pre-measured the water. It should be about 350. You're just tossing it in, man. We're cupping, doesn't matter. Just tossing it on in. This is how Todd Carmichael won regionals before he invented the Dragon. All right, 445 or 350. Cool, that's perfect. 25 to 350. It's gonna be a little bit strong. I can add some water later. Start that timer. Should have already done that. Not a big deal. And then, yeah, what we'll do is we'll put this. I want to make sure that this thing gets here. Bada bing. Right. So now we can use that to hold it. This is gonna be hot. It's actually, this is already cooled down. Steel stuff's nice. And pop this bad boy on top here with one hand. So this is how we make sure that we actually get really good, beautiful, clean coffee. So these things are GSI. They're like, I think they're $11. They are 11 grams. Anything else is gonna be more. I think these things weigh about probably 50 grams. An AeroPress up there, that weighs, I think, like 160 grams. This is the absolute lightest things. Yes, it's made out of plastic, but the water doesn't hit the plastic at all. I believe this is like I believe that's like a silk there. So even if you don't have a paper filter, you can use that and get away with it. But yeah, so we keep this hanging out definitely for, it's been about a minute, maybe a minute 20. But here's the big key to really make sure that you get your full stuff. I like getting the lower flavors. So if I wanted higher flavors, I'd go earlier, but I'm gonna do a little bit later because I want some of those lower flavors in this coffee. Remember, we're not really cupping. We're like 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So do that for 20 of those. That's kind of what I've been hitting at lately. You can experiment with it. Maybe if you want some more florals, you do it earlier on when it's hotter water. Maybe if you want some more chocolates, you do it like, you know, another minute later or so. And then we pause.